Hey, this is Chris Lynch. I'm with NICE North America at CEDIA Expo 2024. I'm our National Business Development Director, and what we're going to talk about today are our sunshade solutions. NICE has been manufacturing shade motors for 25 plus years for interior and exterior applications. We're actually the second largest motor manufacturer in the world. We have applications that can lift up to 350 pounds of material. And now what we're going to do is move into NICE Sunshades, our brand. Our customers have the ability to go into our shade designer and easily configure a system for any kind of shade application they want, whether that be interior, exterior, or even specialty shades. Our customers have the ability to choose from 3 different motors for interior applications. We have our ERA Smart Motor, which is wired for power and control. We have our own proprietary wire that actually allows our customers to daisy chain up to 8 different shade motors on a single wire, on a single run, so we don't have the need to actually home run every single shade. Our second motor is the ERA Edge. That is wired for power, but RF for control. And then finally, we have a line of lithium-ion motors. And again, what's really important when you have a sunshade line, beyond just the motors, is being able to have that fabric. So our customers can sit down with their customers and their interior designers and really show a nice competitive line of fabrics. So what you can see here is a nice solar screen fabric, really fashion forward. We have a nature concept. Again, another solar screen. And then what we're showing up here is a double roller application where it gives us the ability in the same housing to have 2 different shades, one being light filtering, one being blackout, but again, from a fashion standpoint, highlighting the fact that I can work from the exact same collection, use the exact same color, exact same texture, and keep that consistency throughout the house. So again, want to thank you for stopping by. If you want more information about us, please go to niceforyou.com.